The popularity of drones has exploded in recent years, with new models and companies being introduced on what seems like a daily basis. The uses are nearly endless: real estate, industrial inspections, mapping, search and rescue, photography, agriculture, and many, many more. While the practical uses of drones are great, hobbyists and thrill seekers alike have flocked to drones simply for the entertainment factor, and a new sport has emerged as a result: drone racing, also known as FPV. FPV stands for First Person View. Drone racers fly using virtual reality or VR goggles to view a live image transmitted directly from their drone. Ever wonder what it would be like to be a Star Wars pod racer? FPV flying will let you experience it firsthand. Some of these racers can go up to and even exceed 100 miles per hour. With multiple racers, tight turns, and impossible maneuvers, spectacular crashes are common. Spectators can watch the track, or even follow along on a screen in the cockpit view of their favorite racers. Drone racing leagues have begun popping up all over the globe, and manufacturers have jumped into the fray with numerous models and accessories. This new category of drone has brought with it new hardware and terminology, allowing pilots to build, fix, upgrade, and customize their racing machines endlessly. Leagues have quickly grown in popularity, and the complexity and design of the tracks have transformed from derelict buildings to neon race courses. A recent race in Dubai even had a top prize of $100,000, and sponsorships have now entered the mix. If you are new to drone racing, a ready-to-fly, or RTF kit, is a great way to start. These kits can start under $200 and include an assembled, ready-to-fly drone. Some kits include the controller and even the goggles. Starting small is a good idea, since you will crash. And crash. And crash. And crash. You get the idea. Don't worry. The smaller intro drones are designed for this and are very durable, getting you back in the air quickly and building your experience and skills until you're ready to step up. There are also numerous high-end, ready-to-fly kits available to get you around the track faster when you're ready to move up. And for the serious racer and tinkerer, you will find that the custom options are endless: motors, propellers, frames, controllers, transmitters, antennas. Anything a racer can do to upgrade their drone and get an advantage over the competition. You can learn more about FPV drone racing and hardware at Dronucopia.com. Visit drones.shop to check out our ever-expanding collection of all types of drones, parts, and accessories. And subscribe to our channel to learn about everything drone. Also, check out the ABCs of FPV, a drone racing journey, as we follow a novice drone pilot as he learns to become a racer.